Hi, I'm Niranjana from Robotics and Automation Department, third year. I'm here to talk about the 30 hours value-added course titled on 3D printing. So this is a useful and informative session. As I'm a robotics student, we need to use 3D printing for the many projects. So they have made us to do hands-on session. So it is a useful and informative session for us to do. So I thank Center of Continuing Education and SREC-CoIN for this wonderful opportunity.
Hello everyone, I am Arun, a pre-final year student currently pursuing Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I am here to share the feedback on 3D printing course which was conducted by the Center for Continuing Education. The course provided invaluable knowledge, enhancing my technical skills, creativity and problem-solving abilities. From designing 3D models to printing 3D objects, this course has prepared me to apply 3D printing in IT, especially in AI for rapid prototyping. I thank Center for Continuing Education and SREC-CoIN for this transformative learning experience. Thank you.